Do you want to increase the brightness of your face? In this video we are going to show you the top 4 premium beauty products of the present time. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. ELEMIS Ultra Smart Pro-Collagen Eye Duo 10M Anti-Aging Day and Night Eye Cream for Firming and Smoothing. Brand, ELEMIS. Item volume, 1.69 fluid ounces. Age range, adult. Number 2. oneskin iOS 01 Peptide Topical Supplement and Skin Longevity Age Reversal Eye Cream. Brand, oneskin. Item volume, 0.68 fluid ounces. Age range, adult. Active ingredients, hyalur. Number 3. Revision Skincare C+ Correcting Complex 30% Face Serum. Anti-aging antioxidant blend with vitamin C, reduces fine lines and wrinkles, brightens and firms skin, safe for sensitive skin. Brand, Revision Skincare. Item volume, 0.5 fluid ounces. Age range, adult. Number 4. Germaine de Capuccini Tim Expert Radiance C+. Vitamin C Face Cream, Illuminating Antioxidant Cream, Anti-Aging Moisturizer for Wrinkles and Boosting Glow, 1.7 fluid ounces. No import fees deposit and $26.59 shipping to Bangladesh. Details. Brand Germaine de Capuccini. Item volume 50 milliliters. Age range, adult. Special feature, antioxidant. Active ingredients, vitamin C, hyalur.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.